So, this iPhone 5S gold 16 gigabytes does not work or turn on. Let's see if we can fix it. There we go. Box needs some cleaning. Do that later. Yeah. Case is pretty dirty. I'll clean that later too. Let's see. So the charging port, as you can see if I hold the power button down, nothing happens. If I get a lightning cable and I stick it in here, it does not go in all the way, and it just keeps getting stuck. So let's take this case off. Ripped right there. This is OtterBox, so it's pretty beat up, but I might still keep it, clean it up. Alright. It's a blue one, of course. Yeah, this needs a lot of cleaning. There's the back. It's all scratched up. There's a crack in the screen right there. With my toothbrush, clean out this port a little bit, see if it helps to get some of the junk out of there. Here's my little pick right here. See if we can get any life out of this. Nice dent up here. Alright, I'm gonna take this apart. Alright, turns on. Battery's dead, you probably can't see it. Let's see, there's no screen protector on this, so guess I'll wait till it charges. See you then. Alright, so I cleaned the box. Looks better. Still a little damp. Let it dry out. Battery's still dead. I'm gonna go wash this case now. Alright, so I cleaned the case. Still needs to dry out a little bit. Looks much better than it did before. Love the sound a bit. dent right here. It's funny. This phone has Touch ID, supposedly. If this is official or a non-official home button, but this OtterBox case has the home button for an iPhone 5 because you can't use Touch ID through this plastic thing. So either you don't use a case on this and use like a clear case, or you just don't use Touch ID. Yep, and it just turned on. Look at that. The screen looks a little yellowish in the corners. I hope it's not passcode locked. Yeah, that looks really bad. Now it's white. It changed from like white to light green to white again. It's really white around the corners. And there it goes, it vibrated. Camera works. I'm gonna plug this home button back in. Turn this off. Well, it's unlocked.